You know that feeling when you have a great idea, a solid plan, and then everything just falls apart? I set out to make a small flower pot, inspired by The Last of Us. Something organic, maybe a little overgrown, like nature reclaiming the world. But between my studio being closed half the time and my glaze doing things that glaze should not do, let's just say the results were unexpected. So come along for this ride as I attempt to make this pot, question my life choices, and ultimately figure out a better way to do things. Today we have Cookie with us. She is going with me to the pottery studio to make sure that I am making a good job. Right, Cookie?
Woohoo! This is gonna be so much fun!
Look at this. It's so cute. I love it. It did not crack. It survived the bisque fire. I'm so happy with it. Let's glaze it now.
Hello! I made 2 pots.
Wow, you're doing great, Cookie. Is it my turn now?
No.
Please. Thank you. Yeah,
Mommy's super speed. Mommy is superhero.
01020. Oh no, I put too long. Can you believe it's 4 o'clock? Anyway, this is my fourth attempt to go collect my pieces. So let's hope they are open. Every time I go there, they are closed and they start to bother me. This is a nightmare. They are closed again. I don't understand when they open. I have so many pieces there. I want my pieces. This will be the last time I come here. I know I said I'm not going to the pottery studio anymore, but I have to because I still have a lot of pieces and I need to grab my stuff. I talked to a nice girl that worked there and she said she will be in the studio today. So I will go and try grab everything, and this time for real I will never go back. So I'm picking my stuff from the storage room. Let me show you. No, this is not mine. Where is mine? Yeah. This is mine. It's like bone dry. This is like very dry. I don't know if I can. It's so stuck and smell bad. It's moldy. Mold doesn't matter, but like it's annoying. So this is mine. Where is my daughter's? Can't find cookie stuff. That's sad. Yesterday I picked all my stuff from the pottery studio, but I also picked this monstrosity. So ugly. I can say I liked it more before. Like if I compare this to the first piece I ever made, this is much uglier. Like usually people, when they try pottery for the first time, their pieces come out ugly. But this, I don't know, every time I glaze anything in the studio, it gets just ugly. The glaze, I don't know what to say. It's too thin, even if I mixed it like for a very long time. It's crawling everywhere, like on the inside. I don't know if I can show you. Like here, like really everywhere. And straight up abandoned the rim, like it has better places to be. But the sad part that it haven't been anywhere. It's like so thin, like it glazed with water. And that is actually what I think. I think they mix the glaze with too much water that there is no glaze left. Every single piece I made in this studio, not only glazes, there are under glazes, there are ingob, everything is too thin. And while I understand that when you have a pottery studio you want to save money because a lot of people using it, but like you really charge a lot. And still like this is what I get. And I'm not the only one. There were a lot of people picking their stuff and everyone had crawling, they made very nice pieces. There's a woman who made like a really big pot and she was very proud of it. But then on the inside she had crawling and that made it not possible to use because it's not food safe. Now, this video was supposed to be about me making this beautiful, amazing flower pot that didn't happen. But it turned out really to a video where I expressed my frustration because the studio was closed all the time, because all my pieces turned out to... And at this point I decided to never go back again. I have to find a better solution and be able to use the glazes I want and fire my pieces. And I'm not gonna start on how long things takes to be ready. Like if I want something in, I don't know, January, I have to start it in October. Well, pottery takes sometimes, but simple pieces that are just thrown on the wheel and attach something to it should not take 3-4 months. I want my pieces faster than that. In fact, this is not the end of this project. It's just the beginning of bigger project. What happened to me in the studio motivates me to invest in my own kiln so I can rely on myself. And in this way, I will have full control over my pieces, and if they don't work, then it's my problem, my fault. I can test and fix stuff and come up with nice pieces, and hopefully I will get better satisfying results. So consider this monstrosity a test run. I will come back with a new and improved version. If you enjoy watching this chaos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next attempt. Thank you for sticking with me through this mess, and see you in my next video. Bye!